Father's Day today, and my daddy's just making pancakes. Well, Quizak's gonna cook them. He's just putting water into it. And I'm having crumpets. Where's the crumpets?
And today is the first day of
September.
Spring. But the weather is terrible.
Happy Father's Day.
What?
Happy Father's Day.
Karima.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Oh, I'm picking.
Happy Father's Day, Dad. Father's Day, Dad. Hey, buddy.
Give us a hug, yeah. Is that a hug? No, it's not. You're having peanut butter with the Vegemite.
In the fridge.
I was.
Dada.
What?
Where's your...
Oh, yeah. Look at this tea.
Is that for Kuya?
It's right next to you.
Just. Righto. Righto.
Pass it easy. Some crumpets with Vegemite.
Well, yeah.
You got that show, Dad? He loves cream.
They can't see
What's
you.
that? Yeah, well, that's really crying.
There wants one more.
Did you have strawberry during Dad, what are you doing? Guys, we just finished breakfast and my dad is outside and we're gonna get our Father's Day gifts ready for Dad. They're in the fridge because we have chocolate.
What's that?
It's rocky road.
That's Rocky Road
And
with marshmallows,
that's not the first
raspberries, and coke.
we just
Coconut.
No, like
How about Kuya?
it got none.
You get nothing.
so this is we have to color in the back, but this is something, it's a stone. That's a
A stone? Like a no, it's a tiles.
yeah, tile.
Why doesn't it feel cold? You sure?
Yeah. Mine
Hinintay lang
says,
nilang daddy nila.
you want to hear what mine says, Mom? Mine says, Happy Father's Day. I love you very much. Dad, I hope you have a great day today. I love you so much, Dad. Love from Holly.
Wow, that's a nice message,
And
Baba.
look, the bear's cuddling me. So that's Dad, that's me.
Oh, baby bear and father
Is that
bear.
all you got?
Oh, I think that's all. That's
I got
nice.
12 and this and then
Is that chocolate?
Show your chocolate baby.
I got 12.
And lollies, hard candy.
Coffee.
Hard lolly.
What's this called again? It's a
Cuff lolly.
Copico? I don't know.
It's the gold one. It's always
Oh,
the
Weather's
gold.
original.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the one. I think I can have that one because I don't know if Dad would like that.
Yeah. Hinihintay pa rin nila si Daddy. Alam na kung anong ginagawa ni Daddy.
Dad will love mine.
What did you do for your Rocky Road?
We melted the chocolate in a
Microwave?
No.
Oh.
Saucepan?
Saucepan. Yeah, and then we got marshmallows, red raspberries,
What red?
some biscuits,
Red raspberries.
lolly things, and then like graham crackers, like that, biscuits,
Biscuits.
Who's going
and
first?
And mix it together.
yeah,
And then
put the chocolate
in the fridge.
and then we put it in a bowl, and then put it in the fridge.
Okay. And then they crack.
They
In-
cut it up.
And then they cut it according to their sizes. So all of you is like that for Father's Day.
There's 2 pieces. What do you get, yarn?
Huh?
Nothing.
Nothing for Dad? Nothing any like card? What? It's
I
nice.
had no time.
What do you know time? Now you have time you can write.
I can hear it.
TJ got
Hi,
nothing.
guys.
TJ got nothing.
Of course. Get enough for him, haven't you?
I'm ready.
Let's try.
Hi,
Oh, I know
sweeties.
you lost it.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, wow. Woogers.
Chocolate.
Read the
Make a
card.
phone.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
You read that first.
I love you very much. Hope you have a great day today. You're so
No, I love you so
much. Dad, love you from Holly.
Holly.
My favourite 12.
Look at the ano.
Get out the pack.
Do you like Rocky Road, Dad? Do you like Rocky Road? Do you?
I'll put that in the house. Popsy.
Do you like Rocky Road?
Where's your card, mate? I'll read that first.
I don't have a card.
What?
I don't have a card.
What?
I don't have a card.
Thanks, Jack.
Try it. I don't know. I haven't even tried it.
Show me that baby. No, that one. Okay.
Thanks, Zach.
Dad doesn't like Rocky Road, don't you?
You don't?
No, I don't eat Rocky Road.
You
You
don't?
know that.
No.
Have you ever in your life seen me eat Rocky Road?
I asked you. I told you.
But you have to try because he made
Don't
it.
try it. That's what I.
No, for him, he made that one. Why you don't like?
Never have.
I asked you.
Don't like the marshmallow. Don't like the strawberry in it.
There's no
Yeah,
strawberry,
there is.
That's true.
but
The
that's
thought
it.
that counts.
Yes.
But I don't like Jack.
I told you.
Oh,
So this one is.
Get it for myself.
Thanks, Jack.
Ayaw hilo ng Rocky Road. But Sakay knows that already.
No, he didn't. I told him that I asked you at the watermark and he said no.
Yeah.
Do all these so they could use the new bins this year.
How is that the new bin? New bins? Yeah. And that's the spare spot?
Yeah, plus we've got 30 in the other shed.
Other shed, the big one. So, boys, soon you're gonna be helping Daddy doing the pots.
Already did.
You already did? What's that?
TJ, where was Zach? He wouldn't come in there.
Zach was at the car. Is this the boat he used to go on, Dad?
Yeah.
This is the...
On that thing.
What's that, Baba?
I used to sleep
What's
on the
that?
other side of the cabin outside on the roads.
Pass
Water
first
first
boat.
So it was just stunk in there.
Let me see.
The engine hatch was in the cabin, so all the fumes would come off.
Yan yung bago niyang bin.
Guys,
That's, who's that?
Hunter's mobile.
Who's that?
It was Hunter's old bike.
A hunter. You got the new freezer here, huh?
Yeah.
This is
Hello.
There's that one's new, they're new, and then there's a new one.
So, you're gonna bring it here, that new one? Okay, go.
Zach.
Big.
Work this one. It's got to get in there.
Dito kami sa bahay. Lagay lang kami ng wood. Oh, perfect. Oh. What are you doing, Baba?
Massaging Dad for Father's Day.
And Kuya Sak already massage.
Massaged him on the couch.
Yeah, minasage na ni Sak si daddy niya sa couch. So, change location si Jen dito. So, kwarto. For Father's Day massage.
Always John the boss, and for Father's Day is the boss today. Which I'm gonna be the boss on my birthday.
Ang lakas ng hangin sa labas. Kanina nagkikik ng futi yung mag-aama. I thought you're gonna use your elbow. Okay. Is it good, huh? Huh? It hurts.
Well, it's good. That means if it hurt, it's good. I was doing this earlier,
What?
so I can massage them both.
How about
Wait,
me?
wait. Yeah, that's not whatever.
Is it good massage, hon? Ang galing na mag-massage. Si Kuya, okay lang. Okay lang siguro. Pero si Sak kasi Holly, magaling talaga sila si Kuya siguro, lang, hindi niya lang ginagalingan para hindi siya tawagin lagi ni Daddy. Alright?
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I